Good morning, kindergarten. I hope everyone had a great night. Let's get ready, get started. We're going to do our calendar, and then we're going to do a little bit of Hegerty this morning. And then tomorrow morning, Friday, Mrs. Jameson will be back in person. All right, let's do it. Good morning, good morning. How are you today? We welcome you in a friendly way. Sing the days of the week with everybody, starting with Sunday. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. 7 days make a week, starting with Sunday. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Very good. All right, here we go. Let's all count together. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Very good. Today is the 13th of May. Good work. Alrighty. Let's look here. Who can tell me what day of the week is it? Very good. Today is Thursday. What will tomorrow be? Tomorrow will be Friday. Yep. And what was yesterday? Yesterday was Wednesday. Very good. Alrighty, and where did my straw go here? There it is. If we put our straw in, yesterday was day 155. 155 days of kindergarten. What's today? Good job. 155 plus one more, 156. We have one giant bundle, one group of 100. We have 5 tens, 100, 110, 120, 130, 140, 150. And we have 6 ones, 151, 152, 153, 154, 155, 156. Very, very good. All right. Let's get ready for a little bit of Hegerty. Today, we will be doing a little bit of everything. All right. So, rhyming. What word rhymes with wish? Dish or them? What word rhymes with wish? Dish or them? Dish. Very good. Everyone say wish, dish. What word rhymes with chore? Chip or shore? Shore. Very good. Everyone say chore, shore. What word rhymes with pitch? Stitch or thank? Good. Pitch, stitch. What word rhymes with flash? Ship or clash? Flash, clash. Good. What word rhymes with bring? Thing or bend? Good job. Thing. Bring, thing. Last one. What word rhymes with stand, band, or shape? Good job. Stand, band. Very good. All right, now I'm going to say 3 words. You have to say what is the beginning sound of all 3 words. So if I say chase, chip, cheek, you say chase, chip, cheek, ch. Here we go. Shamrock, short, shout. Good. Sh. Welcome, want, was. W. Good. Chocolate, chuckle, chart. Good. Ch. Very good. Then, these, this. Th. Very, very good. Last one. Forever, fast, funny. Good job. All right, I'm going to chop a word. You chop, and then you put it back together. Here we go. N. Good. N. Hunt. Next one. Ooth. Good. Ooth. Soothe. Next one. Tent. Good. Tent. Tent. Do a few more. Paint. Good job. Paint. Paint. How about chest? Good. Chest. Chest. Good job. How about, oh, here's a hard one. Shaft. Yep. Shaft. Shaft. Last one. Coach. Good job. Coach. Coach. Very good. Now we're going to punch out the ending sounds. Ready? If I say past, you say past. Here we go. Shrink. Good. Shrink. Rabbit. Rabbit. Good. How about puzzle? Good. Puzzle. Tooth. Good. Tooth. How about corn? Good job. Corn. Last one. Swipe. Good. Swipe. Good job. All right, last thing we're going to do is you guys are going to do some chomping. So, if I say paste, you'll say paste. That's a 4-1. All right, I'll try to give you a hint. Wind. It's a 4-1. Wind. Good. Wind. Wind. Good one. Let's do chunk. Chunk is 4. Good job. Chunk. How about lend? Lend. Good. Lend. Lend. Do 2 more. How about shift? Good. Shift. Shift. Last one. Let's do 4. It's pond. Good. Pond. Pond. Great job, kindergarten. Alrighty. After this, you can listen to our last chapters of Dinosaurs Before Dark, and I will see everybody tomorrow. Bye-bye.